If your newborn sounds like a tiny bulldog at 2 in the morning, grunting, snorting, even pausing and then breathing fast, you are not alone. Most of those noises are normal. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what's okay and what means it's time to call your pediatrician. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse, and I keep the jargon out and the real help in. Let's talk about normal newborn sleep sounds, clear red flags, and simple things that you can do tonight. Newborns are natural nose breathers with tiny nasal passages. Even a little dryness or mucus can sound loud. Soft whistles, snorts, squeaks, especially during feeds and leap. You'll also hear occasional grunts as they work through gas or a bowel movement. That's common in the first weeks while the gut gets the hang of things. And then there's the breathing pattern. Many babies have brief pauses, about 5 to 10 seconds, followed by a few faster breaths, then a steady rhythm again. That's called periodic breathing, and it can look dramatic. But if their color is normal and they settle right back into easy breathing, it's typically okay. And if you want calm, step-by-step help for those early weeks, I built a free private resource hub just for moms like you. Inside, you'll find guides, checklists, and even my 0 to 10 newborn plan. The link is in the description below. You can join for free and get instant access. Noisy can be normal. Working hard to breathe is not. Call your pediatrician urgently or seek care if you see breathing over 60 breaths per minute at rest. 2. Nostrils flaring, chest pulling in between the ribs or at the base of the throat, or what we call retractions, or a grunt with every breath. 3. Blue or gray color around the lips or tongue, poor feeding, unusual sleepiness, or a long pause in breathing around 20 seconds or more. Important tip, this symptom is a 911 call. This is an emergency and your baby needs immediate help. Trust your gut. If something looks off, it is worth a call. 4. Safe sleep first. Baby back on their back, flat and firm surface, no pillows or position. 5. If they sound stuffy, use a couple of saline drops and gentle bulb suction only when you see mucus. Over-suctioning can irritate the nose. 6. A cool mist humidifier can help in dry rooms. 7. Burp well and consider small, more frequent feeds if gas is part of the picture. Hold baby upright for a few minutes after feeding. 8. When you hear the pause, then faster breath pattern, watch calmly for 30 to 60 seconds. If color and comfort stay normal and the rhythm settles, that's usually what we call periodic breathing. If you're unsure, record a short clip to show your pediatrician. Let's talk about quick home checks. Make sure the room isn't too warm. Overheating can make babies breathe faster. Dress them in one more light layer than you are wearing. If dryness is an issue, rinse the humidifier daily and change the water to avoid irritation from mineral buildup. For feeds, try paced bottle feeding or short, frequent nursing sessions if they get gassy and noisy right after eating. And remember, if you ever feel unsure, a short phone video of the breathing pattern helps your pediatrician assess what your baby is. My baby snoring? Mild, rattly sounds can be normal because again, the nose is tiny and easily irritated. They breathe fast sometimes. Babies cycle their rate. Sustained fast breathing with effort or color change is the red flag. They grunt in sleep. Occasional grunts are common. Persistent grunting with every breath is not. Bottom line, loud doesn't always mean dangerous. Normal noises plus normal color and comfort are usually fine. Noisy and working hard to breathe? That's your signal to act. If this video helped, don't forget to join my free private resource hub. It's where I keep all my best postpartum and newborn resources so you never feel like you're piecing this journey together alone. And if you're wondering about another common worry, why babies sweat while sleeping? Go watch this video next. You'll find it linked right here. I appreciate your taking the time to be here. The early weeks after birth are not easy, but they're not meant to be done alone or without guidance. If what you've heard today gave you something solid to work with, make sure to subscribe so we can keep building that support together. And if you're ready to take the next step, there's a link to my free resource hub below. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.